Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to copy from one server to another server using SCP command. By using SCP hyphen any options you can give hyphen P hyphen C, each and every options that you give it is used for specific reason. Hyphen C it will compress and transfer the data. Hyphen P it is used to transfer the data through port number, and hyphen R it is used to transfer the data recursively. So let me just introduce to SCP command. Source file and username @ IP address, or you can give host name, colon, the directory where you want to paste the file. Okay, this is the format: SCP hyphen option, source file, username @ IP address or host name, colon, path. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let me copy these two files to my another server. Let me check the IP address. It is 248.134. And this one it is 248.135. So let me copy to this server. SCP -R message dead, and then username lucky @ IP address of 192.168.248.135 colon /home/okay/test. Permission denied. Okay, let me try to copy to another location. Okay, this location it has been copied. You can see it has been 100% transferred, and 107 milliseconds, and then 21 kilobytes per second. Let's go to that server and check it out. Change directory /home/loki. Yeah, here you can see dead.letter and message.text. This is the format how you use to copy from one server to another server. For Windows you can use winscp. If you need to copy any okay, 92.168.248.135. Okay, it has been logged in. In Windows you can just drag and drop, it will get copied. Example, let me just copy one image file. You have to just drag and drop, that's it. Or else you can just right click it, it will open. Because that is an image file, it is throwing an error. You can just click, it will show. Here there are a lot of other options where you can refresh when you have done some changes. It is not reflecting means you can just go ahead and refresh here. This is how we can copy from Windows to Linux, and through Linux to Linux using command SCP you can copy. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.